questions. Okay, and for all three questions, you need to write the algorithm, pseudocode, and draw the flowchart. Okay, flowchart you can draw on the notebook or on Word or Notepad, right? So I am sharing my screen to show you the questions. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Yes, please confirm.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
it's visible.
Yes.
So see, first question is I'm explaining you all three questions, and then you can start doing questions. Okay. So once you will complete all the questions, we will discuss all the questions one by one in today's lab, right? So as you can see, the first question is you need to write the pseudocode algorithm and flowchart to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? So in this, you need to just use the formula. Okay, what is the formula to convert? Can anybody tell me what is the formula? C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 into divide by 9. So simply you need to read this value of temperature in Fahrenheit and you need to convert it into Celsius, right? So for this you need to write the algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. Second question is you need to find the compound interest. For the compound interest also there is a formula, amount into rate into time divide by 2. So directly you can use the formula. You can read these values from the user. In the third case, you need to calculate the grade of the student. The student has scored marks in 5 subjects and each subject is of 150 marks. So what you need to do, you need to create 5 variables in this case to store the marks in 5 subjects like M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. And then you need to compute its average, right? And divide this total by 5. Then you will get some average value, and using that average value you can compute the grade for a student using if else, right? So using if else logic आपको जो है grade compute करना है. Any doubt in any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
अब सब.
in the second question,
Yes, yes,
ma'am,
yes,
do
yes,
we have to take the time in years or that and rate?
that you can make an assumption. ठीक है.
Okay.
I mean years ले लो. और आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, यू नीड टू जस्ट क्रिएट. आपको डेटा टाइप तो आप डिफाइन करते ही नहीं हो ना एल्गोरिथम में, फ्लो चार्ट में या सीडोकोड, तीनों में ही. यू
Yes,
टेक
ma'am.
them, you take them as a simple variable, you don't define its data type, so you can take any value. ठीक है,
Okay.
नो नीड टू कंसिडर द फैक्ट कि आपका टाइम किस में है, उसकी यूनिट क्या है बेसिकली. ठीक है, आई थिंक तीनों क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हैं. सो यू कैन डू वन बाय वन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड जहां पे डाउट आएगा यू कैन शेयर योर स्क्रीन विद मी एंड डिस्कस इट विद मी, राइट? एलएमएस की डिटेल्स मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस कर ली है. आपका CS10 ग्रुप है, तो CS10 वाले फोल्डर में आप अपलोड करना. ठीक है, you can enroll in this particular course which I have just shared in the chat box, and in that you will find a folder under practical 1 CS10. So in that particular folder only you need to upload your document, and say before uploading your document, save your document with your name underscore roll number, right? So that I can recognize which one is the solution provided by you, right? Now any other doubt? किसी को एल्गोरिथम फ्लो चार्ट या सीडो कोड से रिलेटेड कोई डाउट है बच्चे? Any doubt related to these 3 questions? So try to complete this work by today only. Yes, first you do first question and second question, and I'm giving you half an hour to complete first two questions. Right? फिर उसके बाद उसका solution
Okay.
पहले discuss करेंगे, then start with the third question. Okay?
Okay.